Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to cover the watch property in the Vue.js. So why we use this watch property, what's the main purpose, right? So this is our Vue.js course where we are covering all of the Vue concept from an index file, right? We have created only index file and we are covering all of the concept one by one, and after that we will build the project. So now question arises, what is watch property? So I have created a basic example where I have initialized a counter, then added a button where I have implemented this count and I'm incrementing that value. So default value is 1, so whenever I'm clicking on that, so it's increasing that value, right? So why I have implemented that example? So I want to show you that how watch property work. So first understand theoretically and then we'll implement practically. Watch property is used to track the reactive properties in the Vue.js. If a property changes, watch will track that and then we can perform certain operations. And let's say in this case we have a counter and its value is by default to 7, and we want to track that when someone click on that and it's incremented that value to 8, and we want to check that when its value is changed we want to apply a certain condition, right? We want to apply some we want to do some action here. So how we can do that? So we can do that using the watch properties. Okay, now let's implement that. This one is a counter, and after the methods or data you can add a watch property here, watch, and it's the same like we are doing this for the methods. Okay, and in the watch, let's say in this case we want to track the count, right? We want to track the count which is displaying here, that when this value is changed we want to track its old value and new value. So we will do this something like this, count with a parenthesis, something like this, and this accepts two values in the argument. First one is new value and other one is old value. So it will return the old value and then it will also return that what's the new value which is changed with the old one. So I'm going to apply a console here, console.log your old value was, here I'm going to mention the old value, right? And then I'm going to say here, and it is updated with this value. Which value? I need to add here new value, something like this, right? Okay, that's good. Just get save, refresh the web browser, and currently we don't have anything. I'm clearing the console, and when I'll click on this, click to increase, so our value, count value is 1, so it will track that 1 and it will also track the incremented value. Let's click on it and you can see this, it's showing unhandled error during execution of watcher callback. Okay, just go here, new, okay, I have added this new value here, but here new old, I have written this new old, and this one is, now it's correct. Let's go back, clear the console, click on it, and yes, you can see this, your old value was 1, right, and it's updated with the value 2. So it means that it's tracking the count. If I'll click on it twice, so now the value is 2 and it's updated with the 3. So in this way you can track that value, what was old value, and if you want to perform certain operations like you want to change its value, let's say this dot count, whenever this value is, you want to make this to 10, right? Let's get refresh, click on it, and yes, you can see this, it was 2 and value is 10. So we have updated that value to 10. So this is just a basic example that you can perform certain operations on that, right? Or you can display a flashing message or something like this. So basically, if you want to track the properties in the Vue.js, you can use these watcher properties, which will track your custom properties. So I hope you like that video. If you want to support me on my mission to shoot the premium courses free of cost, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Bye bye.